How y'all doing? Adjust that camera. I'm gonna do the Mountain Dew Voo Dew 2023 taste test today. So I've heard rumors of what this is supposedly supposed to taste like. It's supposed to, I guess, have some sort of cherry flavor or something like that. So we'll see if that's accurate or not. You never know. But this is the 2023 edition. Fifth year that they've had the Voodoo. So let's see what this tastes like. Interesting. That's actually really good. That may be the best voodoo so far. Tastes like a cherry starburst. Also very similar to a cherry airhead. The tastes are pretty much the same. You eat them, they'll turn your tongue red. Okay, well, I highly recommend this. To put it in perspective, some taste tests are great, like this one. Some are not so great. But yeah, I definitely give my approval to this one. Too bad this won't be a permanent flavor. I think they hit a home run with this one. Or I should say, hit a grand slam with this one. But I'll have more videos for you soon. I just uploaded something last night. What the hell was it? Monsters Convoy, which is a Halloween song. It's sort of like a parody of the Convoy song from the movie, of course. I set it to pics of Maximum Overdrive. Although if I can at some point, I'll add a few more pics of like trucks from other horror movies like Duel and things like that. But we'll see. But I'm trying to figure. I'll have more with Halloween coming up. I'll obviously have more Halloween related videos and things like that. Um, I'm gonna thinking of starting a show called Baseball Chat or something like that. So let me know what you think of that. I haven't really decided on that yet, but anyways, I'll see y'all next time. But definitely buy the Mountain Dew Voodoo 2023 edition if you don't already have it in your refrigerator or cooler or whatever. I think I'm actually gonna get myself a 12 pack of that. Anyways, I'll see y'all next time.